take off.
Hi guys, this is Premstar14 and today with us we have a piece of art from the British automotive industry with the German engineering under the hood. So let's have a look at what it is. So guys, right in front of us is the all-new Aston Martin Vantage. This is the 2018 model, and this particular color, what you see, is called Hyper Red. Aston Martin have replaced the Vantage after almost 13 years, and this is the new generation of the Vantage that you see. I suppose it might be the third or the fourth generation. I'm not so sure about it. In the starting of the video, the reason why I said there is German engineering under the hood is because Aston Martin have used the Mercedes Amg Engine, the engines which are there in all the AMG 63 models. So this is the most familiar 4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine that produces 503 horsepower with 685 Nm of torque. It is connected to a 8-speed automatic transmission, and what's special about it is normally the transmission is in the front of the car, but in this Vantage model the transmission is located behind for better weight distribution. Also the engine is mid-mounted, so it's not exactly in the front, but I'll just point it out for you. It's right there for again better weight distribution, 50-50 weight distribution. This car goes from 0 to 100 in 3.6 seconds and has a top speed of around 314 kilometers per hour. What is very distinct in this Vantage model is the huge grille that you can see right there, inspired from the Aston Martin Vulcan. It's huge, and still they have maintained the proportionate size of the Aston Martin grille. It is just enlarged now, and you can see the huge front splitters which are right there. Also, the design of this particular car looks so futuristic. What you see right here, these two headlamps, they are straight away taken from the DB11. And my personal point of view would be these headlamps don't look so aggressive compared to the Vulcan. And according to the entire body of the car, the headlamps look a bit small, but that's Aston Martin. When you come to the rear part, you can see the huge 20-inch alloys. Guys, the fuel capacity of this car is 73 liters, considering the fuel efficiency is around 4 kilometers per liter. When you come right here, the huge haunches, the rear haunches that are there, they are actually coming out more than the front part of the car. So if you have to go in a small lane, you actually have to see in the mirror if the rear part of the car is going to fit in. When you come towards the rear end, this is something very beautiful. You can see a 5-piece rear tail lamp which go above the spoiler, and coming to the spoiler is something uniquely designed because it is implemented in the design of the car itself. There is no external spoiler, there is no lip spoiler. Behind you can see the rear diffusers with the body painted right there, and the dual exhaust tips. Guys, over here you have a huge boot space which I did not expect at all, and you can even have this to fall down that way, so you'll have an extended boot space. Also, what I like is the metal right here, which is I guess laser cut into this hexagonal shape. This is something new. I've never seen a Aston Martin written. It is just the logo. So what I think, if they could have written the Vantage, I think might be better. But it's Aston Martin's choice. If you notice, both the doors, like any other Aston Martin, open at a upward incline. There are two main reasons for this, because if you look at the car from this angle, the car seems that it is flying just like the Aston Martin logo. And secondly, if you park your car just beside maybe a footpath or maybe a pavement, so when you open the door, it doesn't curb the body. this is the interior of the Aston Martin Vantage. Over here what you see is the multimedia infotainment system straightly taken out from a Mercedes. What the infotainment system is actually it uses the previous generation of Mercedes' infotainment system. Over here, unlike the DB9 and the Rapid S that I've sat in, it has got a stop button over here instead over here where you have to insert the key, so it's not that way over here. Also, it's got huge paddle shifters which look amazing. And coming out to the interiors, this is a dual tone black and red interiors which look beautiful over here. It's got a cup holder over here which is pretty nice. It's got storage area over here, and it's got Alcantara everywhere, so on the top it's Alcantara. And you've got a mirror over here which you just touch and you can open it that way, which is nice attention to detail. And also the seat control is given over here instead of the door. But what I see is there is no glove box over here, so I guess the only storage compartments would be right here under the handrest and the huge boot space. I don't know why Aston Martin did that. So guys, this was the all new Aston Martin Vantage. If you love this video, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe and press the bell icon just besides it to not miss on any more videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.